In a commercial kitchen, the floor does more than support equipment. It supports the entire operation. Epoxy flooring is designed to handle the toughest environments, standing up to heat, heavy foot traffic, grease, and constant cleaning. Its seamless surface resists stains, moisture, and bacteria, helping kitchens meet strict health and safety standards. With slip-resistant finishes and high durability, epoxy reduces downtime and maintenance costs while improving safety for staff. Its non-porous finish prevents bacteria buildup and makes sanitation faster and more effective. Designed for longevity, epoxy flooring minimizes downtime and replacement costs in high-demand kitchen environments. It's a smart investment in performance, cleanliness, and reliability where it matters most.